for calling the Department of Motor Vehicles. How may I assist you?
I just wanted to see if my tags have been mailed out.
One moment while I check. Do you mind being put on hold?
No, not at all.
Thank you. Please hold.
Cut my leg!
Thank you for holding. Your call is very important to us. You are currently 23rd in line.
Cut my leg!
Hello? Hello?
Thank you for calling the Department of Motor Vehicles.
Hi. Yes. I just wanted to know if my tags were lost in the mail, please.
Sure thing, let me take a hold for you.
No.
Brief hold.
No, you will not put me on hold. Listen. I have been listening to Papa Roach's Last Resort for 3 hours now. Alright? So I'm gonna need you to keep me on the line, alright? I cannot listen to that song again.
Wait, so you've just been listening to Papa Roach on repeat? Was it censored or uncensored?
It was uncensored.
Okay, good, that means it's working. Please hold.
No! Nobody came to my party.